Welcome to our KitchenAid hand mixer showdown. Today, we're diving into a detailed comparison between two popular hand mixers. The KitchenAid KHM512WH in a classic white finish, and the vibrant Aqua Sky variant, the KitchenAid KHM512AQ. Both mixers boast powerful 60-watt motors and 5-speed settings, making them ideal for a variety of mixing tasks. But how do they differ? Let's find out. Both the KitchenAid KHM512WH and KHM512AQ feature a powerful 60-watt motor and a convenient beater eject button. The KHM512WH is known for its lightweight design, making it easy to handle, while the KHM512AQ offers the same functionality, but in a stylish aqua sky color. Both mixers come with turbo beaters and a lockable cord for versatile use. The KitchenAid KHM512WH is praised for its lightweight and efficient mixing capabilities, but some users have noted that the cord length can be a limitation. On the other hand, the KHM512AQ, while equally powerful, stands out with its attractive color, though it shares similar concerns regarding cord length and heavy-duty mixing tasks. Both mixers share a lot of similarities, including their 5-speed settings, 60-watt motors, and the same attachments. This makes them both reliable choices for home bakers looking for efficiency and ease of use. Despite their color differences, they perform similarly in the kitchen. In conclusion, both the KitchenAid KHM512WH and KHM512AQ are excellent choices for anyone in need of a reliable hand mixer. Whether you prefer the classic white or the vibrant aqua sky, you can't go wrong with either option. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more kitchen appliance comparisons.